Imagine the bustling streets of Mumbai, the aroma of spices wafting through the air. This is where the Masala street-style fish recipe originates. From the crowded markets to the sizzling food stalls, the story of this beloved dish is as rich as its flavor. Rooted in India's coastal culture, this recipe has been a staple of street food for generations. Its vibrant blend of spices mirrors the diversity of the Indian subcontinent, each ingredient adding a unique layer to its complex flavor profile. Over time, variations of this recipe have traveled across borders and oceans, each region adding its own twist while honoring the traditional essence. From the streets of Mumbai to the kitchens of New York, the Masala street-style fish has made a journey that is a testament to its universal appeal. The Masala street-style fish is more than a dish. It's a culinary experience that tells a story of a rich and vibrant culture. Now, it's time to recreate this flavorful experience in your own kitchen. To start, you'll need thick, fresh cuts of white fish, such as cod or clownfish. Ensure that the fish is well cleaned and gently pat it dry using clean paper towels. Next, let's prepare the masala spice blend. In a small bowl, mix together a teaspoon each of cumin powder, turmeric powder, cayenne powder, coriander powder, garlic powder, and ginger powder. This blend of spices is what gives masala street-style fish its distinctive taste and aroma. Now, it's time to marinate the fish. Drizzle the fish with the juice of 1 lemon and sprinkle it with salt to taste. Let it marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes. This process will help to tenderize the fish and infuse it with flavor. After the fish has marinated, evenly distribute the spice blend across all sides of the fish, ensuring good coverage on each piece. This is where the magic happens, as the fish begins to absorb the rich flavors of the spices. While the fish is marinating, heat some vegetable oil in a deep pan over medium heat. You want the oil hot enough to sizzle but not smoking. Once the oil is hot, carefully place the marinated fish into the pan. Turn it gently to ensure even distribution of spices and to achieve uniform cooking. Fry the fish for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, or until it turns a golden color and a crispy outer crust forms. The timing may vary slightly depending on the thickness of your fish cut, so keep an eye on it and adjust your cooking time accordingly. When the fish is well cooked and nicely browned, remove it from the pan and place it on a paper towel to absorb any excess oil. And there you have it, the fish is well marinated and ready for the pan. Be sure to tune in for the next scene where we'll be cooking this masala street-style fish to perfection. The stage is set and it's time to bring this dish to life. The secret to cooking the perfect masala street-style fish is in the frying. Now we're not just frying the fish, we're infusing it with flavors, transforming it into a golden, crispy delight. Start by heating vegetable oil in a deep pan over medium heat. Carefully place the marinated fish pieces into the hot pan. This is where the magic begins. The heat from the oil starts to seep into the fish, cooking it from the inside, while the outside forms a delectable, crispy crust. Turn the fish gently to ensure an even distribution of spices and achieve uniform cooking. Remember, we're looking for a golden hue, a sign of well-cooked fish, and the formation of that all-important crispy exterior. Fry the fish for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Keep an eye on it though, as cooking times can vary depending on the size and thickness of your fish pieces. Once the fish has cooked to a beautiful golden color and has a crispy crust, it's time to remove it from the pan. Place it on a clean paper towel to absorb any excess oil. The fish has been fried to perfection, golden and crispy, just how it's meant to be. It's not just about cooking the fish, but transforming it into a culinary masterpiece. And that's the secret to making the perfect masala street-style fish. The final act is here. It's time to plate up and serve this delicious dish. Masala street-style fish is usually served as the main course, often accompanied by cooked rice or Indian bread like naan and a fresh salad. You can also pair it with a yogurt sauce or a spicy tomato dip. We've journeyed together through the process, from preparing the ingredients to frying the fish. And there you have it, a delicious masala street-style fish, ready to be savored and enjoyed. Until next time, happy cooking.